sure this isn't what we hit?
I'll go down.
It looks like there's something right there.
You can seriously hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you from here. I got ears. Oh yeah, that's gonna help. He just turns his chair around, like that's gonna help. I am Michael Gattuso. I'm the leader of the Real Treasure Hunters.
I'm the voice of reason.
I'm always right.
He's always wrong.
I did not know what I was marrying into.
I like sharp objects. 4 pieces of 1x2 wood, some chicken wire, and a stapler. And we had a sifter in 10 minutes.
I totally forgot to tell you that I am a 2-time published author. Like legit.
2 times.
And
It was the same article, but it's
it
still 2
was.
times.
Mike and I became business partners, and we owned our own repossession company for many years. Stealing for a living, baby.
And now you're stealing treasure.
Yeah, if someone can ever show me where it is.
What does that do? Picks up.
Yeah, it's just like a pinpointer. So I just see how far away it would reach that stuff. Usually it's like once you get something in the hole and you know about where it is, you can kind of pick it out of it. Like if you look for something little like a ring or something. Yeah. God damn, shut up.
More detailed. How much of a radius does that pick up?
I'm like, I'm going to
GPRs?
It'll pick up these shovels within like 3 feet
We have a
of being right next to it.
big attachment too that you can walk with. The 2 people, like we wouldn't do like a whole area. So.
Metal. What is that? Button or bolt?
Oh, please let that be titanium or platinum.
Pretty heavy. Pretty thick. Is it part? Could that be to the gun?
No, it's way
case?
too big.
It's heavy though.
It is heavy
Of a case.
for being such a little piece like that.
You got
What do you think? It's like a
test kit.
Lord? No. I wish. That's a good idea. Man, see that? None of us ever thought of that. We need to get some of that. Oh, that is the motor mount for the car. Damn, there is a car buried there.
Wow.
Well, son of a bitch.
Son of a bitch.
Could be an antique car.
Yeah. Man, keep going. We might get some
Yeah,
treasure here.
no pieces. We're selling my life.
We got the car, we got the motor mount.
Do you think these could like give mixed signals with other things?
Happens all the
Kind
time.
of throw off the.
Yeah, happens all the time.
I guess we mix signals a lot.
Yeah, I do. Sometimes I'll do this to them,
Yeah.
and then I'll remind them I'm married, dude.
That's when I walk around with my gun on my side.
Yeah, it happens all the time. Like the elements, you know,
Yeah.
being in the ground and stuff will throw, especially if it's something that's a little bit deeper, you know,
What do you think too? Like in the ground, moisture it gets reactions to it. You know.
different things.
Yeah.
When we change the sensitivity, we can
What is it
turn
called in
off.
science? Like chemical reactions.
Yeah, we can. Sometimes we turn the sensitivity off and stuff, and we'll get. Oh yeah, cool. But it is weird because one of the weirdest things is about these targets is a couple of them we're hitting that it's very rare when we're using that part, and you can change one of the screens that it was actually saying a probability of gold, and that's very unusual. That's the thing that prompts us the most to be able to want to come here and actually dig it, because that's not something we usually see.
Vertebrae.
No.
Our pile's growing.
It's iron. Where'd the power go?
Right here.
Right over here.
Oh, Todd's got a purpose now.
Yeah.
Todd's the trash collector.
I know, but I know it's gonna get dirty.
Let's,
Here, let me see.
let's get the big one. Hey, swap over to the.
Man, that is a heavy piece of metal there.
Big chunk.
Oh,
It's like,
Kind of contracting they did.
I bet that's a,
builder, residential commercial.
I bet that's a
I'm not.
meteorite
So we're planning Yeah. to do it here.
for sure.
Probably, yeah. I'd say.
And no one can tell me it's not because you can't prove
Oh,
it.
really? Oh, really?
It's a meteorite.
Nice. Booked out.
Well, Ian flooded out most of it.
What's going on, Mike?
I'm gonna scan it again because it looks like what we were picking up wasn't what I thought it'd be. So I figure while we're here with the owners,
Yeah.
might as well scan
Yeah,
the crap
dig,
out of
dig,
it.
right?
Yeah, might as well scan what we can.
Got to prove
Make
we
sure.
are here.
Yeah.
Rare occasion.
This is yeah, it's a rare occasion. It's a go, go, go.
Yep. Oh, Todd's jumping on. Wow.
Can you pick that up, Hanson?
There it is.
Sweet.
Hold on, let me get on my knees. So we're the same height.
I'm doing a big you mark with a flag.
Yeah. And then spike it.
There's some flags down on the ground that we took out of the ground.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, good to see you.
Troy's here. Wow,
Hey,
getting the whole
I made
team
it.
here.
We made it.
What you got there?
Made it. About half a car?
Pretty much.
Okay. Is it a Mustang? Is it a '69 Mustang
It is not.
GT 500?
That's not the one I'm looking for either, by the way. I need
Shelby?
a mid-60s Camaro is what I need.
60s.
RSSS. That's what I'm looking
Shelby.
What do you got? Brought your
Yeah.
would you go all the way to Keys and get your rig?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
Had to
quite
go
the
down there
trip.
just for that. Yeah. We did the wild loop, man.
Did you?
350 miles, round and round.
Wow.
So, and then another 160 this morning.
Wow.
So, yeah, that's what we do.
Killer.
Gotta find the treasure. Time to find the treasure.
Wood and tile, huh?
Like a mattress spring or something. Spring.
Want me to check it? Don't know if he's up here.
Sorry?
This is Troy. These guys are the owners of the property. I was just telling them.
Okay, very nice to meet you. Yeah, Captain
This
Troy.
is our Captain Troy. He's our
Marcos,
driver.
very nice to meet you.
Real deal right here.
What's your name again? Francisco. Nice
So
to meet you.
you've dove some real treasures and all that.
Yeah, I'd rather find treasure underwater.
You've dove some major shipwrecks
Yeah,
in your
some
day.
really good shipwrecks. And found a lot of good treasure. And now it'd be nice to find some really good treasure right here today.
The 9-year-old found it.
Let's find some treasure.
Sweet.
Are you shitting me?
That's what I'm telling you. Come here. Come here, brother.
Oh, look, this guy has.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Oh,
Oh, well, I got it. I got it on video.
Whoa.
It's on video. Yeah. Todd's in the hole. What does it sound like,
How
Todd?
deep does yours go, Troy?
Todd, what's it
I don't
sound
know,
Yours go.
but it's something pretty solid.
It's pretty solid, whatever that is.
I guess it was on the whole way here.
Well, what could be a rim in the car? Yeah. It's the front bumper.
What do you
Interesting.
gotta say?
That's the bed of the pickup.
Huh?
What do you gotta say?
That's probably more like countertop.
5 feet deep?
That's
How
more
deep
than
is
5
this?
feet. That's probably 6 feet down there. Because that's a 4-foot probe. You're already down 16 inches, something like that. Yeah, so that's probably 6 feet underground.
Yes. Oh, 6 feet.
Gage found it.
Really?
You know what it is? Remember I told you about good intentions?
Yes. It's part of this thing.
Hey,
It's not good
go
intentions.
4 inches, keep going 4 inches. Go 4 inches down there and keep moving back.
You know how big
7
4
inches.
inches is, Todd?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me
Don,
see.
you're going to have to kneel down for
Yeah,
that.
I know how big it is.
Half of it.
It's there too.
Yeah, it is there.
All right.
All right, we move down the line a little bit.
What do you think?
Hitting it again.
Yep.
Hey, so it's linear. Come this way 4 inches now.
You think it's the trunk?
No.
Can we take a break?
This is the most work you've ever done. What are you
Let me
talking
tell you
about?
something. For him to be in there, it's getting real.
Yeah, in there too. So it's okay.
It's right there. It's still?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, the 9-year-old tries something.
Let's take a break, all right?
Good job, buddy. You hit
Hey, new character unlock.
right
Tell
on.
me who you are.
Gauge.
Cool. What were you doing? Push
Solid and big.
yeah,
That's big.
just testing the
That's
hole.
big.
You hit
Hitting it
something.
with that?
Right
Oh
on.
yeah,
Good job, man.
that's
This is
solid. That's big. Everybody stay back.
This is dynamite. Yeah.
That's big. Whatever's there is huge. Let me put it in there one more time.
Try this.
Nope. Maybe move the shovel. Whatever was there is in this pile now. Whatever it was reading. Move that shovel.
Diamond?
Move this shovel.
Oh wait, we were hitting that.
Right here. There's something. Whatever's here. It's here.
That's tabletop.
You still hitting it, Todd?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the end of it.
Megan,
Still
Wow.
grab that.
That's that sounds wood for sure.
Pinpoint it.
Short stabby thing. It's like that short stabby thing.
That's how much we gotta go.
Wow. Another 2.5 feet.
There's this other piece.
You gonna be all right, Todd?
Oh,
Yeah.
tell you what.
Todd's done for the week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys call me next Sunday.
Probing any more holes for like a month.
We got wide enough. We got pole sole diggers.
Oh, we do?
Yeah. I got some. And there's some right there.
Aaron, what do you think?
I don't know.
I think you're deeper than we needed to be.
Starting to hit.
No, I'm hitting something.
Seriously. Yeah. Well, that sounds freaking wood, hollow wood.
You think you would have buried it this deep?
Yeah.
That shouldn't be that hard.
Well, you can,
I mean, that does seem way harder than just so.
There's 8 of us
yeah.
here.
it's the same size as the probe.
The way it resonates.
The probe is
Yeah.
already there.
Can you brush some of it to see what the
clay. That doesn't look like it was.
Sí, como ese de allá con piedra, abajo de ese duro.
Does it look disturbed?
What do you think,
Hard
Aaron?
clay. Yeah, but man, if you could brush some of that away, just try to sweep some more off to where we can see what type of wood it is, how old it is.
How old it is?
How old it is.
Yeah, it's gonna be a date right on it.
Yeah,
I'll probably
I'm
say.
saying you should
wood.
be able to see if it's rotten away or.
That's wood for sure.
Come on, baby.
No?
Man, that sounds like
Yeah, it
something
does.
more than just.
Oh no.
Sure, this isn't one we hit.
I'll go down.
It looks like there's something right there. See that?
Bro, I just can't believe that. That sounds. I'm seriously blown away. I've never, in all these years, I've never heard that sound.
Wow. You guys heard it here.
I really truly thought.
Todd himself.
If I got in that hole,
Yeah.
that tells you something right there.
Wow.
So, yeah, I thought for sure. When I heard that probe hitting it, I had to feel that for myself. I'm blown away.